Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one we're covering police data. As per our customers' needs at the time, they just wanted us to get the crimes data, outcomes data, and stop and search data, which is very detailed, but there is plenty of statistical data if anyone wants us to do it, and they only have to ask. So let's see what we have. Data back to May 2018, 48.5 million rows of data so far across these three tables. So we've got crimes data, and you can see the sort of columns there, reported by which police service, and falls within, where it happened, location, text, the LSOA code, the type of crime, and the outcome. Then there's also the outcomes data set. That's reported by, falls within, where it happened, location, similar stuff basically. And there's also stop and search, which is for every stop and search event, you've got the type of search that was carried out, whether was it a part of policing operation or not, where it happened, the gender of the suspect, age range, how the suspect defines their own ethnicity, and how the police officer defines their ethnicity, the legislation used, and what was being searched for, and the outcome. The other thing to note is you can see that this is per crime data. It is all open data, it's anonymized. As with all the data sets in Facts and Dimensions, when new revised data comes out, that gets loaded in its place. So for example, this crime, that's appeared something like 7 times in the data sets. The way the police API provides the data is it will give you the last 18 months of data rolling every month. And so like this example crime ID here, you can see that we've loaded it and it was under investigation when we downloaded the data to begin with, and then the outcome category changed to this. So you could always get into that data as well to understand that. You might notice it took 2 minutes here to load. I am going to do a video on this. Snowflake. We actually load all our data into Snowflake, which is a very fast querying system. So you can see here I'm querying exactly the same data, and it only took I can't see where it says it. Well, it took a couple of seconds anyway. I will be doing some videos on Snowflake. People can start using it now if they just ask. That's no problem. Yeah, so that's police data. Thanks.